How to unbox the ETC Montessori grammar curriculum for levels 9 to 12. The box when it comes will be something similar to this. You basically need two scissors or a craft knife or something similar. Just kind of carefully snip into it. It's probably best to do this lying flat on a table because there are stacks of cards in here. One of the first things you get will be the laser cut pieces that have the definitions for the various parts of speech. Immediately under the top, there'd be a little manual with an overview of the package with forms that can be photocopied for the students' use, which end up looking like that, along with a little extra information on the mind maps. The first few pages they have on here will be full page. These are the graphical organizers. The first handful of pages for each of the different parts of speech. And then the last handful of pages will be the control charts for the initial sorting activities. All of the cards we have will give you an indication on the card, either in the top corner or bottom corner, their order and what section they go with, things of that nature. And then the half-page task cards, should be 2 stacks of those. The first 3 cards on each stack all go together as a set. And these are basically set up to, you take one, top, bottom, to put them in order. And then these have at the top here, level 1, card 1, level 1, card 2. You go down through, there's level 1, level 2, and level 3 for each of the different sections. And they are color-coded for the different parts of speech. And these again, top, bottom, to put them in order. So level 1, cards 1 through 10, then it starts over with level 2, cards 1 through however many. Cards of this yellow color, they're sentence by structure and sentence by purpose for this particular lesson. They all go as part of the same set. And they'll be top layer, top to bottom. And again, they have the labels down at the bottom to tell you which part they're with. And the first 4 layers of the small sorting cards also go with the sentence by structure and sentence by purpose, and they tell you down in the bottom corner, sentence by structure and sentence by purpose. And it's top down, left to right. And these cards all go together in one packet. The rest of the cards have, again, color-coded by the parts of speech. And they have a label on the bottom that tells you which packet inside of each of those different subsets it goes with.